Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install GlassWire on Windows. GlassWire is a network monitoring and security tool that helps you track internet usage, detect suspicious connections, and manage firewall activity. Installing it on your Windows is quick and simple if you follow the correct steps. So first what you can do is you need to open any of the web browser on your Windows PC. You can go to the GlassWire website. First open to any of the Google browser or the Edge or the Safari. After that, on the top there's an address bar. What you can do is select GlassWire and enter it. Over here we can find this GlassWire personal firewall network monitor. Over here we can find this GlassWire personal firewall. Select to this, and once you reach into this official interface of this GlassWire dashboard, we can find this option for the download here, which is for the Windows. What you can do is select for this free download here, and over here the downloading just happened, and after it gets downloaded you can open to this download folder. Here you can find this, you can double click to this GlassWire setup as well. If the Windows asks for the permission, you can select yes to allow the installer to run, and after that the program will begin monitoring your network activity immediately. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.